welcome to the Radial Pro Easy Install video. In the prior film clip, we showed you this 2-foot wide Radial Pro LD shaker conveyor system with adjustable T-slot tongues, moving material down 2 conveyor trays. The purpose of today's presentation is to show you just how simple it is to install this system onto your pressed bolster. All right, the first step in our installation process is to mount the Radial Pro LD shaker system. Now, this shaker system has a 2-foot rack, and when you purchase an LD or HD system with a 2-foot rack, it comes pre-installed in the shaker, and that makes things really nice and simple for you. Also, this system has adjustable T-slot tongue mounting. Now, totally assembled, this system weighs about 80 pounds. So we recommend that while you're mounting the shaker system, you employ 2 people to do so. So we're just going to go ahead and pick this up and gently slide it into the T-slots, push it in up against the bolster face, and let it rest under its own weight. And then we're going to go ahead and install our clamp plates, screw those into the T-slot tongues, and we just bring the bolts down till they touch the washers. Then I can go ahead and move this support crate out of the way. And it's important that while we're doing the installation, you push the shaker drive straight in up against the bolster face so that it registers squarely against the bolster face. So we do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and snug down the clamp plate bolts. I'm just doing these hand tight for now. I will come back and torque these after I install the tray support platform. So basically, we've just mounted the shaker drive system. I'm going to walk around and install the tray support platform. This is a 2-foot wide tray support platform with adjustable T-slot tongues. Slide it into the T-slots opposing the shaker, and then I can screw in the clamping plates into the tongues. Just screw those down till they touch. And I'll come over and screw down the other one. And then, just like with the shaker drive, I'm going to lift this up and push it in squarely against the face of the bolster, and then snug down the clamping plate bolts, all 4 of those. Now, of course, we're doing this in real time. You don't want to rush too much to give you the impression that it goes any faster than it's doing right here. So this torque wrench is set to 50 foot-pounds. I'm going to go ahead and tighten all the clamp plate bolts. The tray support platform. Move over to the shaker drive. And now the entire system is securely mounted. So I'm going to come back around, plug the air into the shaker drive. It has a quick remove fitting. Just install that to the shaker drive. Then I have the 2 conveyor trays. I'm just going to drop those onto the tray shaft. Really simple to do. Rest them on the tray support platform. Securely push them down onto the tray bar. Then I'll go ahead and turn the shaker on. And move some material.